a really fun haul using items that I recently found at my local Dollar Tree. So a fun Dollar Tree haul. My kids are currently on spring break, so not a ton of new DIYs happening this week, but stay tuned for next week. I have a lot of things already ready to go, so please give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe, and let's check out what my local Dollar Tree has right now. So I knew going on into the Dollar Tree that there was going to be a lot of Easter leftovers, and there definitely was, but I was already expecting that, so I tried to quickly get past that and see if there was any new items or new to me that I could find out at my store. So I want to share with you all some really fun items that I found and what to be looking for. So the first thing I was super excited about was finding this end cap. It was full of new items that I haven't been able to purchase yet, so super excited. I know that some people are sharing these on Instagram, but just getting to see it in person and finally get the opportunity to pick up what I want to purchase was so exciting. So I definitely grabbed all of this fun burlap. Well, they had a few extras I didn't grab, the ones I knew I wouldn't use, but they do have the plain like white and regular burlap color. But these are like what I used to have to like go to Walmart and purchase the expensive rolls just to craft with, because they're like tight woven. So I'm so excited that Dollar Tree put these out. They even have some fun little honeybee patterns. I love the bee patterns. I feel like that's really fun. I used to work making bee supplies for someone, so that was really cool, and it just kind of reminds me of that. But bees are really fun to decorate with, especially for the upcoming summer. So these are really fun. Let me know in the comments what you would do with these. I'm sure these are for like wreath making. You can make table runners out of these, but I have a lot of fun ideas. So also on that end cap, I found these incredible little burlap flowers. I am in love with these. I used to have to DIY my own flowers, so these will be so cool, like to hot glue at the top of pictures or any decor that you want, so look for these. Even if you don't love the rustic farmhouse look, go ahead and pick up these burlap leaves because you can put them behind other things and they're really going to elevate the look and make it look a lot better. These little wooden dice pieces come from the same end cap. They say DIY wood dice. I've seen people use these last year or some kind of wood square like this. I never got them, so if you didn't get them last year, maybe you'll be lucky like me and find them this year. But this is a 3-piece for the $1.25 and just says DIY wood dice. But these will be perfect for little legs on centerpieces or like risers, but so many things are running through my head, so had to grab several of these. Let me know if you have seen this end cap full of items at your store. These are little pieces that I would have ran to Hobby Lobby or Michael's to find. I definitely picked them up at Hobby Lobby for each season. They're just perfect. They're mini for little like decorating picture frames or scrapbooking or journaling, but also like the tiny little crafts. These will be fun to save for ornaments or charms, DIY and gift ideas, so many things, but you get 36 pieces in this little wooden box. I think that is an incredible deal. Next up, I found some of these plain signs. So these are a lot different than the ones I had purchased last haul. They have a dark version and a lighter version, so it's kind of like dark backing with lighter frame, and then they had the lighter backing with the darker frame. So this is perfect, giving it a lot of contrast. These are ready to go as is. They have the gorgeous wood grain in the background. You could put anything that you want on here for upcoming Mother's Day. You could decorate like a cute little sign. They have Mother's Day stickers or mom stickers that you can put on here, cut something off of your Cricut, or just handwrite, or anything that you want. So many ideas that run through my head when I see these, but I'm so excited because Dollar Tree knows we love a good blank sign, and they keep putting out the $1.25 ones. So I know that you can find good ones in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I've shared that before, but these are really pretty for the $1.25. The birds are really loud, which I love it. I'm not going to complain. I love it, but if you hear that, just know I have a window near me and just enjoying the spring air. They were finally getting some warmer weather. So they brought back the coastal theme decor, and they have it even better and improved. So I know you're going to love it if you're into that. But even if you're not into it like me, you can pick up some random pieces for your bathroom or things that you can repurpose. So one of the only things that I picked up out of that selection were these little twine wrapped orbs. I feel like these will be so gorgeous setting around in normal everyday decor. You could definitely blend these in or even like fix them up to match your style. But I felt like these were an incredible buy for the $1.25 price point and don't just scream coastal to me, so they will like fit into the other style decor. If there's one thing that I wanted to find at Dollar Tree, it was these clear stamps. So I almost passed them up. They were like on an end cap by the Crafters Square section, and I tried to film that for you guys. So they had more that I didn't take home, the ones I knew I wouldn't use, and then they were kind of mixed in with ones that they always have at my store. But these floral ones are gorgeous. They have little vines, so whether you are into scrapbooking, card making, just crafting, home decor making, anything like that, these are going to be gorgeous for that. You could create some fun little DIY tags, you could stamp envelopes, or anything like that, but they have such gorgeous stamps. I just couldn't find an ink pad. I'm not sure if I have one, but I'm definitely dying to test these out. And then speaking of the clear stamps, I found this little Crafter Square clear stamp is all it says, but it is a calendar stamp. So it has all of the months, so like the first day of the month will start on the different days, so you can pick the one that works for each year. But this is incredible. This will be so fun for journaling or keeping up with what you like, a to-do list or what you want to do every day. I love this. I'm always going and jumping on the computer and printing off calendars, so this will be so fun just to have an ink pad ready to go. I love journaling and fixing up to-do lists and pen and paper, so I feel like this will be super fun for me. And then also the little letters. So I love having the clear block. I bought them a long time ago at Michael's, but I still have the clear block, so I'll be able to spell out whatever I want to on there, stamp it, and then transfer it, as well as the calendar. So these are really cute, and I was excited for these. So I know that Dollar Tree carries embroidery hoops, but I recently found some new plastic ones. So these almost look like they are aimed towards like younger kids. They have tons of primary colors. I picked up the tan and the pink. These are plastic, so they're not like as pretty as the wood ones for decor purposes, but they also had these little sets of embroidery kits in the Crafter Square brand or section, and I picked a couple of the different styles. I felt like the bunny was perfect for Easter, but I felt like this was an incredible little DIY to do with my kids on spring break, so we're definitely going to try it out, as well as finding this little felt kit with the flowers. So pairing that with the hoops, this would be a fun gift for like someone crafty, or just picking up, like I said, for something fun to do on a rainy day or spring break. But I thought these were really cute, and the bunny was really appropriate now that we are around springtime. I know it's boring, but I picked up thumbtacks in silver and gold because you all know, if you've been following me along, I love cutting off the little tack part and using the flat top just to decorate little DIYs. It gives it such a high-end look using the metal piece, and I love it. It looks like actual embroidery tacks, which someone left me a comment that you can buy like prettier embroidery tacks at Walmart, so I'll have to check theirs out. But I wanted to grab these because they're so cheap. You get 300 for the $1.25, and I'll just always have them on hand. Okay, so I need to know, I know they had this air diffuser, aroma diffuser last year because I purchased one and I never used it, and I was cleaning out my craft room and I ended up tossing it, and it was just old. I didn't think anything of it. I figured they didn't even sell them anymore. I know it had to be like a year, at least a year old. So whenever I was in there the other day, they were really pushing these. It was on an end cap, and I was like, why didn't I just try that before I think I donated a box of crafting supplies and stuff to the local thrift stores. I wish I would have just tried it before I sent it on its way. So I purchased another one and a lot of these little aromatherapy fragrances. Let me know if you've used this before. I would love to know your honest review. I'll check this out online and see how it goes and try this for myself. But I just feel like this would be a really cool gift idea, so crossing my fingers that it works. Okay, so I lied. I said the only thing I got out of the coastal thing was the orbs, but I got these little decorative pieces. They say table decorations, and I've seen this pattern before in different colors, but I was happy to get the blue because, once again, even if you're not into coastal decor, blue is always in for spring and summer, and these will be so cute setting in a little decorative bowl. Another product that I thought would be incredible for a Mother's Day gift are these little shower fizzies. So once again, let me know in the comments down below how you feel about them. They're by the Spa Naturals brand, but it says luxury collection. These are in eucalyptus and spearmint flavor or smell, but I love setting these by my shower, and I don't always remember to put one in there, but whenever I do, it's fun to just drop one in there and enjoy them in the shower because I don't take a lot of baths. But I feel like these would be an incredible gift idea. You can make a cute little basket with some socks as well as some spa items. But Dollar Tree don't sleep on their gift ideas. They have these little red boxes that say last minute gifts, and they're usually pushing like that seasonal gift. And this time they are putting out a lot of spa items for Mother's Day, but they have high quality pieces and little gift sets that are going to be an incredible, inexpensive way to put together something that looks really nice. In the Crafter Square section, I don't think I have ever, I know I say things and then I go back and watch an old haul and I clearly have the item in my hand and I just forget. So many Dollar Tree items go through my brain daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, so it just leaves me. But these are huge stencils. I don't think I've had a stencil this big from the Dollar Tree Crafter Square section, especially for the $1.25. These look like they're part of like the coastal decor, but they were just in the regular Crafter Square section. They just have so many of like the little starfish and shell and seahorse at the bottom, but these are huge and incredible. I always catch myself collecting the Dollar Tree stencils, but then I end up tossing them, donating them, gifting them away because they're like this big after you get the letters out. And no matter how much I try to dress them up, it's just too small to put on. Like, I mostly make like home decor, so it's just too small. You could save them for your stationery, journaling, gift wrapping, tags, anything like that. But I was just in love with how big these are, and these are actually going to make like big words. Even though there's a whole debacle about whether to put words on home decor or not, either way, whatever. I found some incredible stickers also for Mother's Day. So whether you are DIYing a card, I actually took these and make some cute little magnets. I think it was last year or the year before. They turned out incredible. So you definitely can pick those up, but these will be really cute for some DIY gifts. I thought these were beautiful. So one says bloom where you are planted, one says market fresh flowers, seeds, stems, blooms. They kind of have like just a little like beveled written out line. So these are perfect, like you can't even see the indentation really. So you could take a permanent marker, a paint marker, anything, and just fill in those words and it's going to look gorgeous. So once again, another incredible buy. I love these. These are going to look so nice. You can leave them as is, I guess, but I really want to darken in those words. Okay, I know there was some strong feelings about the iron-on vinyl from Crafter Square, but they have this new iron-on sheet, and it's more of like a metallic. They have glitter in different colors, but they are like foil sheets. So it says put on t-shirts, hats, other fabrics, perfect for DIYing. These are 12 by 12 sheets, so let me know if you've tried these or if you have used them, but I feel like this is going to be really cool that it has more of like that metallic finish. I always love looking through the wall arts. I picked up this fun little modern terracotta colored canvas with the rainbow. I feel like it was so like modern looking. This looks like something Pottery Barn would have. And then this one that says I love you a bunch. I thought this would be really cute for a kid's room or your Mother's Day gift or anything really, so definitely picked that up. And then my little girls love these little brushes. They're kind of like a wet brush dupe, kind of not, but they just say detangler brush. But I have to purchase like 10 brushes because they take them all different directions, and whenever it is time to go anywhere, we fight over 1 or 2 brushes. So I definitely picked these up. Let me know what your favorite brush is in the comments down below because we are always looking to try something new. I picked up some of this fun Elmer's spray glue. I've used this on glass as well as using it with scrapbooking paper, and it always seems to work really well for me, so grab some of this. If you do leave the lid off, I have found that I just pretty much have to throw it away, so I definitely try to push the cap back on after I spray it. And then I almost checked out, but I found these right beside the register, and they are little sticker books. They are really adorable. Dollar Tree did a good job on these. They come with different amounts, so like the different styles. There's like 238, 251, 222, so I'm not really sure what the difference is, but these are high quality things. I love journaling, so I pick up fun stuff like this all the time. If someone asked me what my hobby was besides crafting, I would have to say just like journaling, planning. I love sitting down, filling out my journal, putting the stickers in there, planning out my months. It's just something fun to do, sitting at my desk by myself with my fun little stickers, so kind of like tapping into my preteen days. But I love journaling, so I thought these were really well done. They're broke up into 2 different sections, but these will be so cute putting in decorating up my planner each month. So thank you guys so much for checking out today's Dollar Tree haul for April of 2023. I had so much fun picking these up. Like I say, I didn't have high expectations. I expected a lot of leftover Easter items, and they definitely had a lot, but there was still some really good pieces that I didn't want to pass up on. So I'm super excited to get back to crafting next week. Like I mentioned, it is spring break, so we're just having fun and trying to getting quality family time, but I definitely have a lot of stuff ready to go for next week. So please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. Please leave a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you're finding brand new at your Dollar Tree so I can keep an eye out for it this week, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.